Hi, everybody. There are three more ways to prove triangles are congruent. I want to go through through those in this video here. Here's the first one that you're looking at. It's called the angle side angle congruence postulate. This one happens to be a postulate. And so the thing that you need to know and understand is what an included side is. Included side is a common side of two consecutive angles in a polygon. And this is a following postulate that uses the included side, and I give you a picture down there. So now, hey, just notice this um, in that if you know two angles of one triangle, you can find the third angles from the third angle theorem. So any type of theorem that has one side and two angles is going to be a theorem or a postulate that we're going to be able to prove triangles are congruent. So an angle side angle, that side has to be included. Now go to the next one. It's called the angle angle side. So take a look. Angle angle side, angle angle side. That side's not included between those two angles. However, you could find the third angle there, and that would give you the angle side angle situation again. So two more to add on to our list. One a postulate, the other one a theorem of our ways to prove triangles are congruent. The fifth one, third one today, and the fifth one total is called the HL congruence theorem, hypotenuse leg. Now, this one only works if you are given a right triangle. And I notice I have a little distortion here in my picture, which is bothering me. There, that fixed it. Okay. You have to be given a right triangle. And in a right triangle, the side that's opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The other two sides are called legs. So, three things that have to take place if you're using the hypotenuse leg. Right triangle number one, you have to have the hypotenuses of two triangles congruent, and you have to have one of the two legs in the two triangles congruent as well. And then you can use the hypotenuse leg theorem. Now, the last thing that I want to show you guys and maybe didn't make it on here, and I don't think that it did. So I think I'm gonna have to describe it to you. Are the five ways to show that triangles are congruent? Number one is SSS. Number two is SAS. The third one that we talked about, the first one today, is angle side angle. The fourth one is angle angle side. And the final one is HL. Make sure you know all those little things, like you have to know the hypotenuse in the leg. You have to know a side's included or an angle's included on certain ones of those five, and we'll practice that in class. Thanks for listening.